Alright, so we're back at the house. We're gonna look over the things that we bought today. One of the first things I got was this Big Bang Theory. What is it? Soft kitty plush. Honestly, didn't even look it up in the thrift store. I kind of just got it. I'll put the picture of what it sold for, but there's different comps for it. It sold between $10 to $15, so not too bad. We paid $2.99. Die-cast keychains, light up lighter. We actually got two of these. We got the Dale Earnhardt Sr. and the Dale Earnhardt Jr. Probably gonna price them around $22. We paid $3.99 for each. Might even put them in as a set. I'll put a picture as well. They're going for about $25.99. Somebody has them. They're still brand new sealed. It wouldn't surprise me if these are like 2000s or 1990s. The Hideout Wireless 10's EMS system. Paid $6.99 for it. Some sold comps for it are going for between $35 $40. It is brand new. It has the manual. It still has the plastic all on it. It has everything, all the components. I double checked it to make sure. So $6.99. I'm probably gonna list it about $35 plus shipping. Lemex Spooky Town, which I've had pretty good luck with before. I bought it for $12. This one also bought it for $12.99. Looked up some comps on this. They're going for about $200. So I'm just gonna make sure that everything in here is complete. And if everything looks good, I'm probably gonna list it around $200. If it's missing any pieces, I'm pretty sure I could still get at least minimum $50 for it. I picked up this sign, $2.99, locally grown, freshly made apple cider. Kind of a joke between me and my brother. I'm known as the sign guy. I did find this filter, air filter by Filter By. It's a 20 by 20 by 4. Got it for $2.99. eBay, they're selling lots of two for about $40. So I'm thinking I'm gonna list this one around $19.99 plus shipping, which it shouldn't cost a lot. It's very lightweight. Picked up this Raggedy Ann doll. It kind of reminded me of Annabelle, which is kind of weird. $1.99. I might end up putting it in the collection, especially with Halloween coming up. I did find this Minion. $3.99. It's actually a Build-A-Bear. I looked it up. The little overalls alone, people were asking for about $10 for. So I figured I'd pick them up for $3.99. Even if somebody wants to buy them just for the overalls, I'll still list them at about $15, $20, see what he goes for. This AT&T wireless home phone base. I looked it up. Brand new, it's selling for like $50, but I think used is selling for about $35. So this Fisher Price. It looks like it was somebody's present actually, and they left the wrapper on it. Brand new, still works actually. Obviously there is a tear in the box right here, and that'll kind of take away from the value a little bit. Alright, so we got a few orders going out today. We already have 2 in the UPS box. I gotta pull 2 more. Let's actually go to the warehouse / garage / warehouse. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the orders. I have to see what bin they're located in. You guys remember the muscle stimulator thing that I told you guys sell pretty good? It looks like this one sold, and we're looking for TENS 7000 digital pain management unit. It sold for $21.99. That should actually be right here. The next order I have, this is one of the very first things that I ever listed. When I say first, let's go back maybe 2 months ago that I really got serious about doing this. And it's a Tommy Hilfiger crossbody side bag. I remember I bought this for $8. This one. And I wrapped it up in his bag because I didn't want anything to happen to it. So let's go ahead, take it back into the room. Let's get these ready to ship, and then we'll go drop off those boxes along with these. Get these customers their products. Alright, so I was on my way out the door with the 2 shipments that I had today, and I actually got an offer for this filter that I remember buying for about $1.99. It sold at 12 plus shipping. Small sales, but they count, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this shipped out. She literally just paid for it like maybe 30 minutes ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it shipped out for her, even though the handling time on my listings are 3 days. Make the customer happy, make sure they leave good reviews and stuff. So I'm looking for it. It's on bin H. And it is a Brita Stream picture replacement. It's the one that has Steph Curry on the front of it. I remember actually listing it. This one right here. New Brita Stream 3 filter pack. Let's go ahead. It's really lightweight. Should ship out very cheaply. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it packed, get it ready, and get it shipped. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys like the content, stuff that I'm going out and looking for. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I will try to get back to as many comments as I can. Let me know what you guys think, what I should change about the videos. You guys like the style of what I'm doing and going out looking for the stuff and then posting it. If you guys want to see me actually post it, if you guys want to see my inventory system, whatever you guys want to do, go ahead and let me know. Shout out Mean Green. We're out.